It's Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. We're just out here goofing off. Everybody left us here. They're making a lot of noise, but hey, I got me a croaker. Look at that. Some good bait fish right there. I'm gonna go throw him in the bucket. Seen some gar rolling over here, so I'm hoping we got a line with a croaker out on it right now, right down here. So, stay tuned. We'll see what else we can get. Huh? Croaker. That's what I'm here for. We're gonna load the freezer up with these bait critters. Because it's like, why can't I catch them in that hole over there? And then I seen that gar roll. I was like, ah, that's probably why. Let's hope that gar shows up on that line, because that'll be great. Alright. It's rainy, so I'm about to shut this off. Stick you down in my pocket. This is Joe. We're back. Got a big fish on the line. We're testing, letting him take it, because it's most likely a gar. He was in the gar hole here. I got my new cameraman, Sean. Say hi.
Hi.
He's going to film this for me today, so let's see if we can. This fish swallow this. Can you walk to the truck and see if you can find the hook? Yeah. Really need to see the
Ah, I just need to see through it. That's about it. So I can know where I'm aiming. Dude's hauling for fish.
Look at this. Take a string hard.
Alright.
Now I'm kind of wondering if it ain't a red guard. Well, we've got heavy current right now.
It might be that.
I think the tide's moving out hard.
Just like make sure I don't hook myself at me. I'm the new cameraman for your feet. Shrimp. Oh.
I wish I had a camera.
Well,
A more expensive camera.
a GoPro's good enough for a YouTube video.
Yeah, but they can do zooms and stuff. I see a lot of alligators and stuff like that. But they're always way out. Well, not way out there, but just don't show up. Think it's time to fight him?
No. No. He needs time to adjust. When it's time, then once when you think it's time. Once when you think it's time, then reel in if you want to.
I think it's getting close. He stopped a bit. Alright, we're gonna let him tension up the pole.
Tension up.
There you go. You might want to step back because I'm going to swing hard.
I don't want to be smacked in the face. Oh God, he's all the way over
Way
there.
out there.
At least he's still on there.
Why would it be something else?
Why should it be an alligator? Are there even alligators in this place?
Yeah.
What's this? Make sure it doesn't bite off. Make sure it doesn't bite off.
Oh, it's going that way again.
It's trying to get your line tangled.
Yeah, it's a gar.
That's huge.
That's what I was looking for.
That's huge.
Oh yeah. Exactly what we were here for.
Got a hook.
You want to hook him?
No.
Huh?
No. I don't know how to hook a gar. How do you hook a gar?
Through his bottom jaw, but.
So I just go like.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
It's a pretty big gar.
Look, I see him down there.
Okay.
Come here, buddy.
That's a spotted gar.
Oh.
Wait, hold up. An alligator gar is one of the biggest gars. And it's trying to get away from you. What's up, gator?
Oh. He broke me off.
And it just stole your hook.
Damn. Oh well, we tried. His scales got into the line, shredded it. Look how fluffy it is. We'll try again.
It might take another hook.
Huh?
It might take that same one.
Huh?
Or it might take that one.
It's out there, just watch it. Oh, he broke it. He broke an eyelid. He destroyed my pole.
He broke the pole.
It's raining, we need to stop before it gets soaked. Look at the size of this trout!
Oh, there's another one.
No, that's what I was using for bait.
Oh.
That's what I was fishing for a second ago. Look at the size of this trout. Here.
What?
Hold it close to you. Hold it to your chest so you can get how big it is. Look at the size of that. That's humongous. That's what we're looking for.
It's got a tongue.
That's cool. Good job, Jared. Sean.
It's got a tongue.
Yeah. We did it. We got a big old trout. Let's get another one.
Along with it.
We did pretty good today. We caught one good trout. We had a nice gar on. We lost it. We did catch some more bait, so I can go back tomorrow and try to catch some, or I'll freeze it and use it in future videos. Ended up with a bunch of croakers and some pinfish, and they should work fine for that. So hopefully we'll have some gar for the freezer, because meat prices are ridiculous right now, and I can grind it up and make hamburger patties and sausage and other things with it. And besides me and the dog, I make my own dog's food, and she'll enjoy having all that extra meat in her dog food. So be ready for that. We're really gonna try hard to get a couple 100 pounds of gar meat in my freezer. I'm working hard. My nephew's not gonna be with me. I got him running inside to get us some cold drinks. We worked hard. It's 2:17 right now, and we started at 8 o'clock this morning. So yeah, we pushed hard to go home with one fish. It was a nice fish. Might get a good picture of it, and if I can find a measuring stick. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.